Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been uploading for like almost a year. I'm really sorry about that. For those who have been waiting, I'm really sorry I couldn't upload. But anyways, I'm back with a new video. So today I'm gonna show you another Scratch tutorial. So let's just get started. Okay, so let me just open Google. There. Now let me just go to Scratch, of course, and create a new project. So today we're gonna create a clicker game. Yes, how to make a clicker game on Scratch. So this is a really easy tutorial that anyone can follow. It's gonna be very simple. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So first, let's pick an object. So let's go to choose a sprite. And I want, let's choose this dinosaur. Okay, we'll choose a dinosaur. Okay, now let's start coding. So let's start by making the sprite play a sound when it's clicked. So let's go to the sound category and take start sound. Okay, now let's go to the events category and click and tick the block which says when the sprite clicked. So let's just stick it there. Now when we click it, it makes sound. But I don't want the dinosaur to play a pop sound. I actually have a little technique. So if you go to choose a sound, then you search in boop, bing, bop, there. So you search in this, or there's a second method. You can just go to wacky and take boop, bing, bop from there. I prefer doing this searching method because that's so easy. Okay, let's delete all the other sounds. Okay, now see this little tiny part? I'm gonna drag everything else except this part and makes a really cute sound, but I'm gonna make it faster. Now it's really cute. There. So we're gonna start sound boop, bing, bop when I click it. See, it's playing a sound when I click it. So in the clicker game, variable lets you keep a track of how many points you get. So let's go to variables. I'm just gonna delete my variables and let's make a variable. I'll call it points. And I'm gonna click OK. There. Now, what I'm gonna do is when I click on the dinosaur, I want the points to change by 1. So we take this change points by 1 and put it right below the start sound. There, now it's done. The point increases when we click it. Now I want the points to restart when I click the green flag. But now it's not possible because we didn't put the code for it. So first we have to go to events category and take the when green flag clicked. Then we have to go to variable category and take the set points to 0. We'll put that there, and when I click the green flag, boom, it changes to 0. So as you can see, I got how many points ever I want to get. So maybe 30 points. And if I click the green flag again, I get 0. As we're done with that, we are almost done. We just have to add the second item and all. But when you click on it, it looks pretty bland. If just playing the sound won't make it work. I want the dinosaur to expand and shrink really fast when I click it. So to do that, we have to go to looks category and take a block that says set size to. Now instead of 100, we're going to change it to 120 or 30 or how much of a big you want it. As you can see, that's really big now. And now I'm just going to take this one. Now we have to go to control category and take a block that says wait 1 second. But 1 second is really slow. Now I'll put this block under the when this sprite click block. So see, now it expands and shrinks, but that's taking too much time. So we'll change it to 0.5. No, but that's also taking too much time. So we'll change it to 0.05. Yep, now it's much more better. I'll just change it to 120 and see how big it is because I just want to fit it in. Okay, I feel feel like 120 is a bit too much, so I'm gonna change it to 110. Yeah, much better. Done. So I'm just gonna put this a bit down there. Now I have this little animation. Now we need to take our second item. So I'm gonna go to choose the sprite category again. I'm just gonna search in dinosaurs. Then I'm gonna click the dinosaur 2. There, much better. Okay, so in clicker games, how it works is, after you get a certain amount of points from the first item that you originally get, you have to get a certain amount of points for the next item to be unlocked, which is this dinosaur. So in this scenario, this first dinosaur, the green dinosaur, is the one that you already unlocked, like by playing the game. And this red dinosaur, we're gonna make it unlocked by a certain amount of points that you get from clicking the green dinosaur. Then that red dinosaur will have like a advantage, so like automatic points. So how to do that is, first you have to go to the costume tab. By the way, I deleted all the other costumes of it. Go to this text tool and right below it write the cost. Before that, I'll just change the color to black. Then I'll just change I'll write the cost and the reward. So the cost, I want it to be 20 points. 20 points. I want the cost to be 20 points. And the reward, 1 PS. PS is points per second. So I'm just gonna put this over here. I'm just gonna take the mouse tool again, the select tool. I'm just gonna drag it very near there. Now I'm just gonna select all these and I'm gonna group it together. There. Now that we did this, we have to make a variable called automatic points. So we'll go to variables and we'll make a variable called automatic PS. So PS is points per second. I don't want to write points per second, so I just write PS. Automatic points. First, let's focus on the appearance of the red dinosaur. I want the red dinosaur to appear very transparent or ghost-like when the points is less than 20. So to do that, first we have to go to looks category. Then take the block that says set color effect to 0. But instead of color, let's put ghost effect, because that's what makes it very transparent or translucent. I want to change it to 50. So let's see. Okay, that is blurred out. I think this much is enough. Okay, 50 is enough. Now it looks really blurred out. Okay, so after you set the ghost effect to 50, you take this block from the looks category itself that says clear graphic effects. Now you have to go to control tab and click and take the block that says if then else. Then you have to go to operators tab and take the operator that says that is less than. After you have all of these blocks, you have to put the operator inside this if then if else block, and then instead of 50, let's make it 20. Now you have to go to variables and take points. If points is less than 20, then set the ghost effect to 50, else clear graphic effects. So we have to put it under a forever loop, because if we don't put it under a forever loop, it will only happen one time and the rest of the times it won't happen, and we don't want that. So we are going to put a forever loop. And we also need a when green flag clicked. So let's see. Let's go 20 points. Yes. Okay, so nothing happens when we click on it because we didn't put the code for it. So now we need to know what happens when we click on the red dinosaur when we have enough points, meaning more than 20 points. So you have to take out from the events category when the sprite clicked. So when the sprite clicked. So you have to take out, and from the control section you have to take out another if else block, and take another less than operator from the operators tab. Then from variables, take a point again. So now take this less than operator, put this in if else. Then instead of 50, we'll put 20. And if points is less than 20, then we'll leave that space blank because we wanted to do nothing. But if else, if the points are more than 20, then we want it to play a sound. So I don't want pop sound, I'll just delete pop because now we want it to play booping bop. So I deleted bop and now to make booping bop again. Okay, now I'll go to choose a sound, then I'm gonna go to booping bop. There. Just gonna delete it. Make it faster. There. That's cute. Now let's see. How will the player know if they have actually gotten the item, which is the red dinosaur here? So to do that, the player has to, so we have to take away 20 points because the cost is 20 points. So for that, we have to do, so we have to go to variables and change, not automatic points, we'll go to automatic points later. Change points by 1, no, because that will make it more. Oh, sorry. So points not by 1, minus 20, because we're gonna deduct 20, not give 20. So we're gonna put it under this start sound one. So let's see. Yes, so it successfully removed our 20 points. Now to click again. It says the reward is 1 automatic points per second, but I don't see automatic points per second here. So to do that, we have to click on Dinosaur 2 again and change automatic points by 1. That's it. Oh. Just do this. Then click change automatic points by 1. That's it. It's easy as that. Let's see now. There. Now automatic points is 1. But no, nothing is happening. So we have to add some code. I'm clicking until I get 20 points. There. Now I'm clicking on the red dinosaur. Now actually 2 automatic points because I did it twice, but nothing is happening. So to do that, we have to add code, of course. So I'll go to dinosaur 2, or you can go to dinosaur 1 too. But to avoid any confusion, I'm just going to dinosaur 2. So let's click when green flag clicked. Then we have to take a wait to group and then a forever loop. Then we have to take the change automatic points per second by 1. That's it. Now just piece them together like this. Then forever loop, inside the forever loop, wait 1 second and change automatic points by 1. Okay, now we have to, instead of automatic points, we have to change to points. Now let's see. So when green flag is clicked, I get automatic points. As you can see, I have 1 automatic points per second and I'm getting 1 automatic points. But what if I have 2 automatic points per second? Still going by 1. And what if I have 3 and 4 and all and 5 and so on. So instead of change points by 1, we have to put change points by automatic points per second. So to do that, I'll just set it automatic points to 0. And as you can see, no points are coming because the automatic points is 0. And when I click it, 1, it goes. And it changes by 1 and 2, it changes by 2. So there, you can have as many automatic points as you want and it will change. Now we have to put set automatic points to 0 when green flag is clicked, otherwise it won't be fair. So now the next step is to add as many items as you want to. So I'm just gonna put another one. What about another dinosaur? I guess search up dinosaur 3. It's gonna be flying above the sky. Now text. Cost, oh, I'm just gonna change it to 0 there. Cost is I'll put the cost as 100 points, because 100 points will not be hard to get if you have like enough 1 point per second. So now reward, you can put, what about 5 points per second? Yeah, 5 PS. There, 5 points per second. That's good. I'm just gonna keep it right in the middle, I think. I don't think it's the middle, but almost close. Okay, anyways, so now that it's done, it's easy. No other code is needed. It's basically the same code from the Dinosaur 2. Yeah, it's the same code from the Dinosaur 2. You duplicate it, put it over there, then delete. And now you just have to change the change, instead of 20, we just change everything to 100 and automatic points to 5 and minus 100, and that's it. We're done with the tutorial. You can add many more items as you want. You can add how many ever items that can fit into your page. You can add that many items. So this is just an easy project, so I just added 3 items. And hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll put this project link in the description down below, and you guys can edit it and remix it and see. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Stay tuned for my next video. Until next time, bye bye.